Fourth question. Two conducting wires of same material and equal length and equal diameters are first connected in series and then parallel in a circuit across the same potential difference. The ratio of heat produced in series and parallel combination would be. This is also important question. Two conducting wires of same material, equal length and equal diameters. It means what? It means they have same resistance value, correct? If length is same, material is same, diameter is same, they all are same, then resistance will be same. And these two are first connected in series and then in parallel in a circuit across the same potential difference. The ratio of heat produced in series and parallel combination we have to find out. So first you can write down the net resistance in series combination, R series, is equal to R plus R. Both are same material, same length, same diameters, means same resistance also. Means the total resistance will be 2R. Then heat produced, if it is connected in series combination, heat produced will be equal to the heat produced in series combination. I am taking H in series. H in series, heat produced in series is equal to, what is the equation? Which equation we can use? We cannot use here I square RT. We have to use the equation V square by R into T. But here the resistance value is how much? 2R is there. Resistance is 2R. So I should write V square by 2R into T. We have the equation for heat energy. How many equations are there for heat energy? H is equal to 3 equations are there. H is equal to I square RT is there. Then H is equal to V square by R into T, and also H is equal to VIT. If they are connected in series or parallel, the total potential difference applied across the combination is same potential difference. So remember, in this type of question you have to apply the equation without current, only voltage and resistance, potential and resistance. If you use I square RT, you will not get the answer. VIT also will not get the answer, because I will be different for different combination. In series and parallel, I will be different. But V will be same. In both the case, total potential applied across the ends will be same. So in series combination, when we apply V square by R into T, potential is V square. Total resistance we have 2R is there into T. This will take equation number 1. Okay. Then when these resistors are connected in parallel, the total resistance in parallel combination will be what? If same value of resistors are connected in parallel, we can use the equation R by N. So here one resistor is R, total 2 are there same time, so R by 2. Heat produced in parallel combination. Between these two ends we are giving the potential V volt. If they are connected in parallel like this, the same two resistors are connected in parallel, here also we are giving the same voltage V volt. If this is 220, here also 220. Here resistance will be 2R, R plus R will be 2R, total resistance. Here will be R by 2, because this is R, this is also R. Then we do the parallel combination, total resistance will be R by 2. What's the point? So we can apply the equation V square, V is same, by R. R is how much? R by 2. R by 2 into T. That is heat produced in parallel combination is equal to, this 2 will come to numerator, 2V square divided by R into T. This will take equation number 2. Then what is the question here? The ratio of heat produced in series and parallel, means we have to divide equation 1 by 2. Heat in series divided by heat in parallel, means dividing equation 1 by 2. Equation 1 divided by equation 2. LHS left hand side, equation 1 is heat in series divided by heat produced in parallel, ratio of heat produced in series to parallel, is equal to, right hand side is, for first equation it is V square into T divided by 2R, that is divided by, second equation is 2V square T by R. Instead of dividing, I am multiplying with the reciprocal, is R by 2V square T. So here R cancel, V square T cancel, 2 into 2 is 4. So answer we got, the ratio of heat produced series to heat produced in parallel is equal to 1 by 4. Means in the fourth question, C is the answer. Now one more point you have to understand from here. See, the heat produced in series and heat produced in parallel, the ratio is 1:4. Means in which combination more heat is produced? Both are having same resistance. Two wires are having same resistance. When they are connected in series, if heat produced is 1 joule, when the same are connected in parallel with the same potential, heat produced is 4 joule. 4 times more is in parallel. Why? Why it is so? In parallel, resistance will be minimum. Current will be the highest. When current is highest, heat produced will be I square RT. Current is having more influence. Square is there. Yes. Now, what is question number 5? How is a voltmeter connected in a circuit to measure the potential difference between 2 points? Voltmeter is connected in parallel and ammeter in series.